What's up, world? Welcome to Yields with Yodi. You know me, we get straight to the point. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Safemoon. We're going to talk about the overall crypto market. And we're going to do some technical analysis behind Safemoon and Bitcoin. As you can see right here, Bitcoin is currently at $44,874. Before this, I sent an announcement in my Discord. Let me show you what I wrote. I wrote Bitcoin looking to break out the downtrend. And this was when Bitcoin was at 42,700. So this is the downtrend that I drew. This was at the very top. And this is when Bitcoin started to slowly tank. And as you can see right here, it was fighting to break out the downtrend like I wrote. And let's go at the present. And as you can see right here, it broke out the downtrend. As you can see right here, I drew a line of resistance. And as you can see, Bitcoin is fighting to break it. This line was previously a line of support. As you can see, Bitcoin was bouncing, kept coming down here and bouncing and kept bouncing off. Usually when something is support, it tends to turn into resistance, vice versa. So soon we're looking to see if Bitcoin is going to break this line of resistance, which I'm sure it will do. By the way, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Only invest in cryptos you have strong conviction in. That way, when the price drops, you buy the dip and you don't sell for a loss. Also, guys, if you want my buy and sell alerts, guys, join the Discord. I've been hitting it out the park. Let me give you guys one of the plays that I gave recently. I gave out this play right here, AFIRM, ticker symbol AFRM. I gave out the $70 call. The expiration was August 20th and it cost $130. And from $130, this shot all the way up to, $380. That's about a 200% return, which is very nice. So again, guys, if you want my buy and sell alerts, guys, join the Discord. Trust me, you won't regret it. Also, if you previously joined my Discord and you lost access, guys, send me a DM so I can give you access again. I had a little technical difficulties with upgrade chat, so a lot of people lost their access again. So send me a DM in Discord and I'll get it squared away. Also, use my Webull link, deposit $100 and you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,200, guys. That is free money. You can't beat that. Now let's get back to the point. All right, we're now in coinmarketcap.com. The crypto market is up 1.7%. It states that Bitcoin is at 44,700. The past week is up close to 8%. Ethereum is at $3,100, is up 20% in the past week. Massive gains. Binance is at 352, up 4%. Cardano's at 1.47, it's up close to 9%. Dogecoin is at 0.25, it's up almost 24% in a week, which is massive gains. Now let's check out Safemoon. Safemoon is currently down. It's at 0.00002191. It's currently down close to 11%. I am going to assume a lot of people weren't too happy with the wallet beta that came out yesterday, the open beta. Let me open up the Safemoon chart. As you can see here, since the open beta came out yesterday, we had a lot of green, a lot of people were buying. And then today it's a lot of sell-off. Let's check out the 1 hour chart, see how it looks. As you can see, a lot of people were buying. And then, boom, people started selling. It's a major sell-off right here. This could potentially be a whale. You can see the RSI was indicating that it was overbought. And when it hit the low, it said it was oversold. So as you can see, some people started buying. And again, I'm going to assume maybe the wallet didn't go as planned, or maybe just whales are selling, taking some profits. So let's check out Reddit, see what's going on. First thought is a scam alert. Wallet beta support is not offered through Reddit. If you receive a message from anyone on Reddit offering beta wallet support, it is 100% a scam. So guys, keep an eye out for that. All right, now let's read this right here. It's the same strategy as any company pushing a giant app to a massive audience. This is specifically for Android, as there's hundreds of phone models and they all operate differently. Unlike iPhone, is only a couple different types of iPhones. First, you build your app, then you strip the core of the app without most features into its own test app. You ship the core test app into a beta. You find out which devices struggle with core basic portions of the app before you dump bigger features onto it. You don't ship a fully filled app at the start. or it will take years to break down crash data to see which features are not playing nice on which devices. For example, the calculator works on 80% of devices, but some very specific devices have issues with it because they're coded differently to work the app differently. You do a closed test with a few more features to test more into a controlled environment. You use what you've learned in the test to make the app work for the wide audience of devices, and then you try to add in some more features for the app to the app for further testing. Again, guys, that's why companies do an open beta and they do a closed beta, basically to grab a bunch of information to better the app, to have it function better. I guess everyone wanted a 100% fully working app. It's not how it works, guys. That's not how closed beta and open betas work. There's a reason why there are closed and open beta. It's to figure out all these glitches and find a solution. And this is what Safemoon wrote. We are aware of people experiencing issues with the wallet crashing. Nothing is wrong with your app itself. The backend system for the app are being overloaded at the moment, and we're working on a fix. This is exactly the reason for undertaking open beta testing, to understand any technical issues so we can fully resolve before launch. It's exactly what I said previously. The Safemoon Squeeze Theory 101. I guess if you want to squeeze Safemoon, you need to buy Safemoon on the Pancake Swap, where it will actually contribute towards the burns. Make sure that everyone knows. This is another post about the wallet. I'll say what most people with any sort of IT related background are thinking right now. The wallet isn't good. Now, before you shoot me down, this isn't FUD, this is an opinion. Objectively, the app is a lackluster. It's buggy, has a calculator that sometimes doesn't work. Calculators aren't difficult to code. In fact, a multi-million company shouldn't have the nerve to release an app, beta or not, with a barely functioning calculator. Now, just because the wallet is bad doesn't mean I'm selling, and it doesn't mean you should sell. However, it does and should give you some perspective on how long you're going to be holding for. If it takes this long to produce such a mediocre and finished product, we will be waiting years and years for a truly functioning exchange. I will be holding for what I imagine will be a minimum of 5 years. If this is the pace that the team keeps up, we need an exchange and a working wallet to hike price and increase burn enough to see some crazy high prices for Safemoon. This is the truth. Now, I wish the devs well, and I hope they listen to their beta testers' feedback and hire some real developers to make this thing. Like I said before, Safemoon is a long-term hold, 5 to 10 years. I guess you guys are trying to get rich overnight. But I'm assuming this guy has a background in IT, so he knows more than me about how an app usually works. I don't have an Android. I have an iPhone, so I couldn't get access to the open beta. But if some of you guys did get access, please write down in the comment section. Let me know how it went. Give me your thoughts. What should be better? So write it down in the comment section. This guy wrote, keep selling whales. That was that huge red candle that I spoke about before. From 47 trillion down to 11 trillion now. This project is only getting stronger. If he keeps shredding in this pace, he wouldn't be able to kill the momentum of future bull runs the way he did with the previous ones. So I'm assuming this whale had 47 trillion before and only has 11. So I guess he was the one behind this big sell-off. Again, we want these whales to sell, guys. We want these tokenomics. We don't want these whales to have this much power. You see how easily he can manipulate the price. Again, we don't want that. We want all these whales to sell. Right now, we're going to go to my favorite page, documenting Bitcoin. Bitcoins have no dividend or potential future dividend. Therefore, not like a stock, more like a collectible or commodity. Satoshi Nakamoto. The legend, the myth. Bitcoin is a declaration that could credibly claim a place next to the Statue of Liberty alongside Emma Lazarus, welcoming the huddled masses yearning to breathe free. Nigeria is now second in the world for Bitcoin trading volume, leading the way into the future. Africa's peer-to-peer Bitcoin volume is making new all-time highs. Nothing can stop the innovative and driven youth from securing a better future for themselves. The question is not who is going to let us. The question is who is going to stop us. That's not a TV antenna. It's a satellite that lets anyone use Bitcoin without internet. A truly iconic photo. That is massive. So cool. Bitcoin mining is now the most profitable major industry on the planet. The real wild part, half of the industry moves across the planet overnight. Where Bitcoin miners decide to call home will become the future financial center of the world. Also, 11,233 Bitcoins, 428 million sent for just $82. Bitcoin is the world's most efficient monetary network. That is true. That's why crypto is the future. Again, crypto is only in the infancy stages. Guys, get your hand on some crypto. 10% of your portfolio should be crypto. Again, it's not financial advice. Do your own research. And that's going to be all for today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concern, drop it in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the little notification bell. It'll help keep this channel alive. If you want my buy and sell alerts, guys, join the Discord. Trust me, I've been hitting it out the park. You won't regret it. Again, use my Webull link, deposit $100, and you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,200. Use my Coinbase link, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin, and I get $10 worth of Bitcoin. That's going to be all. Thank you for your time. Peace.